Hi, here is the Konica Minolta Zoom 160C overall conditions, and it using one CR123 battery, and here is the battery compartment. Yeah. Okay. After that, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Then here is the film. About the film, we need to slide to here to make sure that the motor is fit into the center part of the canister. Like that. Then put the film tip to here. Make sure that your film is flat. Then you just close it, and it will auto lock. Yeah. Okay. If it's blinking like this, which means that it doesn't load properly, then maybe we'll slightly adjust a bit. Yeah. Okay. Then we just close it. Yeah. You see, show figure 1, which means that now we can start shooting. By clicking this button, here is the on off button. So now it's on, and here is the zoom in, zoom out, and here is the shutter, and here is the viewfinder. When you look through the viewfinder, you'll find out at the center point there, got a dot. So you just use that dot to aim whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, if it doesn't blink, it light up like this, which means that now it's okay to shoot. Then you just click it. The orange light up, which means that it will fire the flash. The green light stands for the focus. If it's blinking like this, so which means that it can't focus as it's too near, then we aim far a bit or aim a bright place. Yeah, you see, it can focus and it won't have flash. You just click it. But the flash is auto mode, while you can adjust by yourself by force flash, off the flash, flash with night mode, or like this auto. And I would recommend you just put it at auto will do. Then the next one is the timer, also same, half press and to the object that you want to focus, and it's focus. Okay, like this means can't focus, but you still can fire the shutter. Just the outcome might have high chances that it's out of focus. Then we just wait around it, like took around 10 seconds like that. Okay, after that, here is the continuous shooting, which you aim to the object and you click it, the shutter, and if you didn't release, it will keep shooting it. Like that. Then click to the next one is the remote. While this camera doesn't come with remote, so yeah, just ignore it. And here is the date function. So you just click it, then just click the select button, then you can adjust the date by yourself. This one is the year, month, and the date. And click select again to adjust the month. Click again, the date, and this one is the time. Yeah. And you can change the format by yourself by clicking this. Yeah. Now it's the year, month, date, while you also can date, time, or if you don't want it, you just put it like this will do. And when you should finish, it will auto rewind. So yeah, no worry in using, and hope you enjoyed.